From the very outset, police indicated that they had the murder on video.
If a person's been arrested and they're being held without bond, they're entitled to a writ of habeas corpus, and that will cause the person to be brought before a judge where the judge can determine that they are being illegally held and order them to be released.
The Crown will not even be in a position to say that this person is really dead.
Somebody gonna have to tell the truth, and I'm gonna tell it.
What is up, my people? Welcome back to Kenny Untra TV, and we have a bag of update as it relates to Vybz Kartel Habeas Corpus hearing. As I said, start today, my people. A lot of people are really concerned as what's going on with Vybz Kartel, women of the road, and a bag of things are going on. But before we jump into the details, I really appreciate if you guys leave a like on the video and also subscribe to this channel so that way you don't miss out on the latest updates. And let's get started. So for the people them who don't know what is a habeas corpus, me actually can explain right now. I make this guy explain it to you guys.
A writ of habeas corpus can allow a person who is being illegally detained to be released. If a person's been arrested and they're being held without bond, they're entitled to a writ of habeas corpus. An attorney can file the writ of habeas corpus, and that will cause the person to be brought before a judge where the judge can determine that they are being illegally held and order them to be released. A writ of habeas corpus can also apply sometimes to a person who has been convicted of a crime, exhausted their appeals, and if they are still being held and there's an illegal reason to that detention, they may be entitled to a writ of habeas corpus. Also, in the event of actual innocence, for instance, you may have heard of situations where people have been exonerated by DNA evidence. They may have previously been convicted and served time, but DNA evidence subsequently shows that they're innocent. They can be released on a writ of habeas corpus.
Alright, my people, so that's the case with Vybz Kartel right now. As you know, them conviction was quashed by the Privy Council. As I say, I know Vybz Kartel and the co-accused are still held behind prison walls, as I say, with no explanation. And I mean, that's the reason why Isaac Buchanan filed for a habeas corpus. So right now, today is the date, and we actually are going to check it right now, as I say. So we're currently on Jamaica Observer, as I say. Let's check out what they have. Alright, so it read, Kingston, Jamaica ruling in Vybz Kartel habeas corpus case is expected to be handed down tomorrow at 2 p.m. in the Supreme Court. The ruling will be delivered by Judge Andre Thomas and follows the conclusion of arguments made by the defense and prosecution in court on Wednesday afternoon. So this is today, as I say, and we are going to hear the result tomorrow on Thursday. Let's continue. Lawyer representing Kartel and two of his three co-accused filed a habeas corpus application seeking their release on Monday, March 14 because of issues the defense did not wish to disclose. But things are going behind the scene with people and them now make it public. As I say, the application follows the Privy Council Thursday, March 14 ruling that Kartel and his co-accused have their conviction quashed for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Now, these are the big question everybody asks. Since them convictions squashed by the Privy Council, the Privy Council also send back the case to the Jamaica Supreme Court for them decide whether them have they're gonna have a retrial or set Vybz Kartel free. As I say, yeah. So that, and a lot of people get confused and say, oh, the Supreme Court decide already said there will be a retrial. That's not the case, and I mean. Since the ruling, the artists have remained in prison. Shortly after Kartel questioned the need for a retrial in his statement to Fox 5 News, saying, I feel victorious in this very moment as the Privy Council, in their infinite wisdom, understood the assignment and remedied the situation by quashing my conviction. I am now back to being an innocent man in the eyes of the law. A grave injustice was done to me and my co-accused in the original trial, and my cries were heard in the land's highest court. As I said, that was Vybz Kartel's statement to Fox 5 News after the Privy Council. He added, I am confident that the Court of Appeal in Jamaica will do the right thing in the name of equity, fairness and justice and free us. Some people have expressed their concern to me that a retrial may be ordered, but to them I say, I built with a limited knowledge of the law, what is there to retry. So my people, right now, I don't think there will be a retrial if Vybz Kartel win the habeas corpus. I don't have enough knowledge on this law, but my guess is if Vybz Kartel win his habeas corpus, I don't think there will be a retrial and Vybz Kartel will be released immediately. And I guess we can look out for that news tomorrow, my people. You guys should definitely stick around for the latest updates. And I mean, remember to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel so that way you don't miss out on the latest updates. And as usual, I'll see you guys in the next video.